Hey, lawyers. So I found this really cool new app that I wanted to share with you, and really looking forward to something like this coming onto the market, and it finally has, and thankfully faster than I thought. And really what this is it's some of the best marketing gurus, online marketers, direct response marketers alive today. It's infused their methodologies, strategies, processes into its AI and created this very easy to use interface to generate a lot of the marketing copy that you're going to need for just about anything. So it's called a copycoached.com. It's in beta launch right now. So there's like a 3-day free that you can use trial, and then it's just $97 lifetime access. So I'm not affiliated with them at all. This is just something that's really cool that I would highly encourage picking up as part of your toolkit, because this is something that's definitely going to be like an expensive subscription going forward. And the value you can get from this just for $97 for forever is astronomically huge. And really, even though you're lawyers, really you have two things that need to be done. One of two things to do. And this is from Dan Kennedy. And basically, you either need to be good at writing copy yourself, so you need to be managing the marketing yourself, or you need to be able to recognize good copy from bad copy. So there's a lot that goes into copywriting and marketing in general. But what this tool does is that really shortens that learning curve, makes it really easy for you to pop out ads, whether they're for Google, whether they're for Facebook, whether it's for email, blogs, YouTube scripts. So this vehicle just makes it super fast and easy, and really takes care of the majority of the work, because you're basically getting access to top marketers to write your copy for you, and then you can dock it up and make the changes as needed, make it be compliant, et cetera, et cetera. But this really can just get you going immediately and have actually a really good profitable campaign very quickly if it's set up correctly. So most copywriters, the good ones, you're paying hefty 4 or 5 figures. That's just the reality, and it's because this is really where the rubber meets the road, is with the copy, the words that are actually used and communicated. That's where the money is. So you got to get that right. If you don't get that right, it doesn't matter how good your service is, doesn't matter how good of a lawyer you are. If you don't get this part correct, it's a lost campaign. So it's called a message to market match, is what Dan Kennedy calls it. So it's very important that we get this correct, and it's why a lot of copywriters charge a ton of money to do this. And so this is, I'm not saying we're replacing them, but I'm saying if you're just getting started, or if you are currently writing your own ads, this is a great tool to really shorten your workload, and you can just work. This does most of it for you, and then you can critique it and tweak it, adding that top 10% contribution to it. So let me just get into it real quick. So I'm on the marketing tools here, and this is the avatar and USP. Use this first tool. So this is very helpful because we want to identify who our ideal customer is, our dream client, our avatar. This helps you discover that very quickly. And the more specific we can get about who this person is, the better, because when it comes down to it, and I've talked about this many times in other videos, we want to niche down on one particular type of person that we're trying to help. So this helps you do that very quickly. So I just typed in adoption. What industry are you in? Adoption. Describe your product. Adoption services, and it came out with this demo avatar. 35, human resource manager. Look at Seattle, Washington. 80K a year. Married to an IT specialist. Together for 10 years. Some background info. Personality traits, goals and motivations, challenges, and ideal, what they're looking for in the experience and the service, and then a summary. So this is pretty darn good. And again, it's never going to be like perfect, but this gives you like a really good idea and saves you a lot of time to harvest a lot of this data, and you can just start talking directly to this person, and so you can pull out uh, marketing angles for how to reach them very quickly. So trying to conceive for several years, done multiple IVF treatments. They are looking for adoption as a possibility to raise a family or create a family. They have strong support system in place. They have people they're passionate about specific types of interests. So this is all golden nuggets for creating your copy, and going through the problem, benefits, solution, direct response methodologies. So that's excuse me, that's the avatar finder or creator, and I just came up with some other examples. I'll show you real quick how simple this is. So let's just say we're looking for targeting restaurant owners, and we do business and contract legal services. Submit. This will take a second. Okay, so completed the query. Josephine Smith, 42, female, Austin, Texas. Again, any metropolitan area. Restaurant owner and operator, married with 2 children, ages 14 to 10, $80K a year from a restaurant. She's got a bachelor's degree in business administration, culinary arts, goals, challenges, interests. So, it gets pretty specific, and it's, for the most part, I'd say it's pretty accurate. And why they are passionate about or why they would love the service that you're providing. So really good starting point consistently from this bot. So let me show you around. So if you click on coaches, so these are they have their processes built in to help like plan your marketing campaign. So Russell Brunson, his is the value ladder. How many steps do you want in your ladder? 4 or 5? What's your industry? What is your core product? Let's look at Joel Irway, and he's known for his power offer process. So you can write your version of power offer, and then he'll critique it, and it'll give a version of what it what it's missing and what it should be, what it could be. You got Alex Ramosi here, Alric Heck, Dan Kennedy, Frank Kern, Don Miller, Laurel Porty. So let's just look at Dan Kennedy real quick. So he's known for this ultimate sales letter formula. What's your product and or unique selling proposition? Provide social proof, testimonials. So you just enter the testimonial right in there. You enter what is your USP, and who are you, and what is your expertise, experience, and accomplishments in this space. So I'll let you play around with this, but this is a very, very helpful in helping you organize and plan out your marketing based on their specific processes and formulas. And then you also have a Copy Coach University here, where it goes over just some training on kind of like it's brief on explaining their processes, but then it links out to this is kind of like the affiliate part, but at least for them, where you can link out to their specific resources. But let's look at the ones I played around with the most are the Facebook ads writing. So let's click on Facebook ad copywriter. So what's the goal of the ad? Leads, And then here we can pick the copywriting style. So before, after bridge, problem, agitate, solution, creative storytelling, long form, or funny. And then you describe your company product or offer in detail. So let's do problem, agitate, solution. And I just have some prompts here. Let's just do this one. So done for you service that files and settles divorce cases. I am intentionally kind of being a little bit vague here or broad in scope. And this will take just a second. All right, so here's what it came up with. Primary text in the ad. Are you struggling with your divorce process? Broken heart emoji. Does it feel overwhelming, time consuming, and emotionally draining? You're not alone. Thousands of people face the same problem, but imagine if you could avoid the hassle and stress. Introducing our hassle-free, done-for-you service that files and settles divorce cases with ease. Say goodbye to the headache of paperwork and negotiations and let us handle it all. Our experienced team is here to guide you through every step, ensuring that your rights and interests are protected. Don't let the divorce procedure dictate your life any longer. Click the link below to find out how our experts can help you regain your peace of mind today. Headline, struggling with divorce. Let us file and settle for you. It's really decent copy, really good copy, just out of the box. And that just took a couple seconds to generate. So you could just copy this and then you could reword this. You could put this into, we could run all these different styles, and we already have 5 different ads just out of that in a matter of minutes. And you could just copy and paste this into your Facebook ad. I would tweak this, some, but maybe add a couple things. But it's it's really good just out of the box. Let's look at long form and just click submit. I'll pause real quick. Maybe it won't. I'll just show you how long it actually takes. It's really not that long. I say this is really brilliant AI. I love how it just puts in the emojis in there. Okay, so here's what it came up with. Going through a divorce is never easy, but our expert team is here to make the process as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Introducing Divorce Made Simple, a comprehensive done-for-you service that takes care of all the paperwork and legalities so you can focus on healing and moving forward. We understand that this is a challenging time in your life, and our compassionate professionals are dedicated to guiding you through every step of the divorce process. With Divorce Made Simple, so I love that it even generates a name for you. You can expect, and then here's the benefits, dedicated case manager to help all the paperwork, negotiations, and core documents on your behalf, customized strategies tailored to your unique situation, ensuring the best possible outcome for you and your family, complete confidentiality and discretion, respecting your privacy during this sensitive time, affordable flat fee pricing with no hidden costs or surprises. Our experienced team has successfully navigated hundreds of divorce cases, and we pride ourselves on offering a personal touch that truly sets us apart. We'll be there to support you every step of the way, from filing initial paperwork to finalizing the settlement. Ready to start your journey towards a brighter future? Click the link below to schedule a free consultation with our team, and we'll get started on your case right away. Divorce Made Simple. Expertly handle divorce cases for a stress-free transition. Naturally, you put this through the compliance, so make some changes to terms as needed. But it's really good copy, and this is something that like a good copywriter would probably charge you, $500 or $1,000 for. So, and you can just generate these in seconds. Let's just do funny just to see. So emojis, uh, done with this one, done with the one. Make your divorce a fun one. Let us file and settle your divorce case while you sit back and enjoy your newfound freedom. Get your divorce sorted in a jiffy. We do the work, you do the celebrating. So, you know, uh, depending on what the type of issue it is, this may or may not work so well with the tone, but you can see that it does its job in rewording the ad. Just want to look at another one here off of the. So I gave it this one. I gave. Let's do a different one. Let's do estate planning. So done for you, estate planning for business owners. So let's do funny again. Let's see what it says. Okay, so hey, business owners, planning your estate just got a whole lot easier and fun. Our all inclusive done for you service will make estate planning seem like a sitcom. Don't leave your legacy at the mercy of chance. Get started with us and let's have a laugh while we're at it. Estate planning made hilarious. Prepare for the future with a smile. Okay, that's pretty ridiculous. Let's do long form, or let's do creative storytelling. Let's see what it does. Embark on an epic journey to secure your legacy. As a brave and visionary business owner, it's time to conquer the realm of estate planning. Our expert wizards are here to cast their spells and create a tailor-made plan just for you. Say goodbye to confusion and let us handle the scrolls and spells. Take the first step towards immortalizing your empire. Request a magical consultation today. Forge your empire's legacy with our estate planning sorcery. So, yeah, very, very creative. That's for sure. And it's definitely, it breaks the mold from your typical mini generic ads that you would see. And so you'll catch people just because of that. It makes it stronger copy, and definitely creative. And I mean, you could put a whole theme around that too, for sure, in your presentation. But let's look at another one. And if you do this again, it'll create another version. So you can just keep you can make unlimited types of responses. Okay, this is the other one. Once upon a time, in the land of legacy, business owners struggled to secure their future and protect their loved ones, but then a game-changing solution emerged. Welcome to our done-for-you estate planning wonderland, where stress-free legacy planning is our specialty. Wave goodbye to the hassles and hello to peace of mind. As a fellow business owner, you know the importance of safeguarding your kingdom. Our experienced sages will work their magic, creating an estate plan that protects your business and family, ensuring your story has a happy ending. Embark on your adventure today and watch as our gifted wizards transform your worries into a beautifully woven tapestry of comfort and security. Sign up now and live happily ever after. The fairy tale solution done for you, estate planning for business owners. Still, playing on that fairy tale theme, but yeah, definitely, it's completely new copy every time. Let's look at Google real quick. Paste your unique selling proposition. So let's just say, and I'm just making this up. So, I'm coming up with like a criminal defense themed USP. Get out of jail. Get out of jail guaranteed. Yeah, right. Get out of jail fast and easily with the fast track out of jail defense service. Again, I'm totally just making this up, so off the cuff. Okay, so it came up with a list of top performing potential keywords, 15 to 30 character limit headlines, and 90 character ad descriptions. Pretty cool. So fast track jail release, quick bail defense, rapid legal assistance, expedited jail defense, speedy bail service, easy jail release, fast out of jail support, immediate bail help, efficient legal aid, swift bail defense. Expedited jail defense, trouble solved swiftly, rapid legal support, immediate jail, release aid. Our fast track out of jail defense service provides rapid, easy, and reliable legal support to secure your release. Experience the speed and efficiency of our expert bail defense services designed to help you get out of jail as fast as possible. Don't wait any longer. Our quick and dependable legal assistance ensures a hassle-free jail release process for you. Count on the professional and expedited jail defense service for a smooth and swift release from jail. So, yeah, again, it's pretty decent. Just right out of the box. Definitely some tweaking needed for some of these, but you get the idea. You can just put in something. You can put in some good specifics, and it's going to come up with some really good starting points. So again, definitely something to play around with. Blogs. Who is your ideal customer? Let's say people with brain injuries. What industry are you in? Representing people who have been injured or who have experienced brain injuries. Again, each one of these just takes a few seconds. I haven't really seen it. I've never seen an error. Haven't seen really long delays. Typically 10, 15 seconds, 30 seconds most. Okay, so here's the topic. Ideas. Understanding the difference between different types of brain injuries, a comprehensive guide. Okay, that's great. How to find the best rehabilitation services for brain injury survivors, legal considerations for brain injury victims, know your rights, emotional journey of recovering from brain injury, personal stories, role of caregivers in supporting brain injury survivors. This is a great place to identify when you're running ads. You can be targeting these people. So there's a great lead magnet here. How do you care for people with brain injuries? And so you'll pick up a lot of leads that way. So I've seen various campaigns have a lot of success with that angle. The importance of early intervention in brain injury recovery, coping strategies for living with a brain injury, tips and tricks. These are really great. I don't know this for sure, but I'm assuming that this is the case, that their application is built on top of ChatGPT. So, it's using that AI, their AI data and language models to come up with a lot of this stuff. So, but these are really good. So, let's just, pick one. Let's do the role of a caregiver in supporting brain injury survivors. So I'm going to click over here to, and you can just, if you click this, that's just copies it to your clipboard, and then you just, paste it. That's it doesn't really format it. If you can just do this, then like that. And I think it'll, list it out. Nice. Let's click on blog post writer. Let me copy that. So here's the topic. Let's do brain injury caregivers. Again, I don't know if this is, I haven't checked the SEO on this, but I'm just giving it my best guess. And then we can pick the tone: informal, professional, motivational, storytelling, satirical, poetic, nostalgic, persuasive, educational. Let's do motivational. Just curious. You can do it. Sorry if I offended anyone. Let's see here. Let's get a little test, see how fast it'll generate these. All right, it generated about 5 seconds after I had paused the recording, so that's great. So title, The Unsung Heroes, Brain Injury Caregivers, and their impact on recovery. It's a pretty good title. When a person experiences brain injury, it is undoubtedly a life-altering event. Their world is turned upside down as they face physical, cognitive, and emotional challenges. However, the journey to recovery is not one that needs to be taken alone. In fact, the role of brain injury caregivers is paramount in supporting survivors through this difficult process. It's pretty good. 1, emotional support. Caregivers offer a shoulder to lean on, helping survivors through their emotional ups and downs. Physical assistance, cognitive support, advocacy. So caregivers often work alongside therapists and medical professionals to help survivors regain lost cognitive abilities. They may assist in the memory exercises, speech therapy, and other activities amid improving cognitive function. Impact of caregivers on recovery. And then the conclusions. It's a pretty decent article for just a couple seconds. And 2 pieces of data. So, this, and with ChatGPT, I actually have a whole guide on generating blog posts and doing them really, really quickly, like generating 1,500 plus words in about 5 minutes. So I'll make another video on that. But, it's cool that they include this as part of the software. So there's some shortcuts you can get. Like we made these topic ideas really fast, and we can, you can create unlimited topic ideas like this in ChatGPT. But it's, again, it's nice that they just stick this right in there as well. I'm finding probably I'm using this to generate the Facebook ads, copywriting for the ads mostly. Copy is cool too. So find great copy, make it your own, and understand why it works. Paste text. Don't use the URLs. So where's this copy from? So you put in the website. What should your copy be about? Talk about what is the argument? What is the goal? And then what's the copy you're trying to emulate? And that's where you paste in the copy that you're trying to recreate. So there's just a lot of tools, really helpful tools packed into this. I think website tools, you can create video sales letters. So it'll generate the script for you. There's an email nurturing sequence creator. You can, how many do you want to create? 3, 4, 5. And you can just keep, making more and more because it'll keep giving you new results every time. Website headline feedback. Uh, so it'll generate a list of headlines for you, landing page copywriter. So business product, USP, what are the primary goals, product features, 3 to 5 customer testimonials. So it'll just generate, all that content that otherwise you would have to hire someone to type out, or you do it yourself. And most times, we're not all expert writers or gifted writers. So, yeah, this is just a huge cost and time saver. So I would get, as soon as I saw this ad on YouTube, I was like, okay, I got to have this. I was, looking for this, and I'm in the process of writing our own ads as well. So I've used this, and I think I pumped out 20 in a matter of minutes that are really good out of the box. So definitely, you just go over to Copy Coached. Just click the little start for free up here. And I think they're still doing 3 days free trial. And then it's just $97 lifetime for right now. Yeah, I would just, go get this and just start playing with it. It'll save you a ton of time and a lot of money on copywriting fees alone. So hope you found this helpful, and I'm going to put this on YouTube, share it with some colleagues, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And if you want help with going over how to maximize your law firm and growth and scale and create automations and market yourself with video and use ChatGPT and AI like this to automate everything in your law firm, you can book a call with our team, and we'll see if we can help and if it's a good fit and what's involved there. But yeah, definitely looking forward to seeing how you guys use this. And this is a huge leap ahead of the curve if you jump on tools like this. So you really could get it to market with a full campaign in a matter of minutes. This shaves hundreds of hours, weeks of planning. It's done for you in just a matter of minutes. So have fun, guys, and talk to you soon, Cancel. Cheers.